Google's AI program, Gemini, just dropped. When you ask Gemini to create an image of a historical event, you get something like this. Gemini says, "This is one of America's founding fathers." Which founding father? Not sure. Maybe AI learns everything they know about America by watching Hamilton. Here's what you get when you ask Google to give you a picture of German soldiers during World War II. Didn't realize the Nazis celebrated DEI Thursday. Google apparently doesn't think whites exist.
The most important subject there is, because it is here to replace us, my friends. It's not here to help us. It's not here to assist us, to make things better for us. It's here to replace us. The psychopaths that have assumed power over everybody else believe that we are inferior, disposable, and that we should be disposed of and replaced with AI. They just need this tiny little thing, this spirit thing that we have, because this spirit thing, this consciousness thing seems to be very important. They need that to harvest, but the rest they want to completely destroy. This is what AI is here for, not to help anybody with anything. That's the whole purpose, but you don't sell it that way. You sell it by giving functions to people that seem to make their life easier. I can't tell you, over the last years, all that I get in terms of ads on social media feeds and whatnot is this AI crap where some kid that has no morals, no values, no nothing. Some robotic zombie kid tells me that if I use ChatGPT and all these other tools in particular ways, I can pretty much lie to the people all day long without having to put in any effort, because AI is going to do it for me. It's going to deceive the people for me so I can sell as much useless crap as possible. This is basically how it's being sold to the people. So you're 18, you're fresh out of high school, you want to go to college or learn a trade, learn a skill. Bullshit. Just learn how to use ChatGPT and make your next $1 million. Is it ethical? No. Are you pretending? Sure. You're deceiving? Yeah. You're lying? Yeah. Who cares? As long as we make the big bucks. We don't have a minute to spare. Not a minute to spare. And if now you don't show up and answer the call of duty, I don't know when. If you have a certain spiritual connection, if you have a certain maturity in your thinking, in your beingness, you have a freaking duty. You have a freaking duty to be here on the front lines with all of us. Do your part. Even if you don't have children, well, somebody in your family has children, somebody in your community has children, you owe it to them. This is not voluntary. We owe it to them. We owe it to become the best possible version of ourselves. We owe it to them to create the best possible vision for the future. We owe it to them to explore what's really happening and to start changing course.